Meet the new MFAH milling cutter for finishing aluminum. The MFAH comes equipped with an adjustable blade runout for highly efficient milling. Minimize burrs and achieve impeccable machining results with a large axial AR and the double edge insert shape. Advanced features allow for easy adjustment of blade runout and adjustment from the front. With a lightweight hybrid body, the MFAH also supports internal coolant. 3 edge types, including the first recommended double edge type, allow for a variety of machining applications. Prevention of scattering with a new wedge shape feature. A new double pin structure helps prevent scattering, while guide pins improve safety during high-speed rotation. The new MFAH for aluminum applications provides excellent surface finishes.